Hartlik welkom by AgriMonitor, ons gesels landbou. In vandag se program, Nedbank se besturende direkteur Martha Murorora praat oor hoekom landbou so belangrik vir die land en jeug is. Dan praat Arnold Klein van Agra en Russell Luck van Swiftvee oor hoe die twee organisasies saamwerk om die Namibiese boer in die middel van innovasie te plaas deur hulle toegang tot die grootste webwerf in Afrika vir vee en wildhandel te gee. Laastens kyk ons na hommeltuie. Hommeltuie maak jou lewe makliker, sê Mike van Huistingen en Pieter van Sail van GSAP Namibië. Hulle verduidelik hoe hul hommeltuie gebruik kan word om landbougewe sowel as herbesiede vir bosdoders te strooi. Die tuie kan selfs gebruik word om te plant. In vandag se landbounuus in die AgriMonitor van vandag kyk ons na Nedbank is ernstig oor landbou. Nedbank glo dat landbou 'n volhoubare en belovende loopbaan vir jong mense is en hulle wil die persepsie verander dat dit net 'n laaste uitweg is wanneer ander loopbane misluk. Martha Murorora, die besturende direkteur van Nedbank, sê die bank wys al erns deur strategies in die sektor te belê. Hulle het reeds net vanjaar 4 landbouspesialiste aangestel om boere beter te ondersteun en hulle behoeftes beter te verstaan. Vir haar is die egte waarde van landbou nie in sy bydrae tot die bruto binnelandse produksie nie. Nedbank sien dit eerder as 'n sleutel tot werkskepping, voedselsekerheid en ekonomiese stabiliteit. Nedbank het 560.000 Namibiese dollar geborg vir 20 studente om by die Agra Landbou Akademie te studeer. En hiermee wil Nedbank praktiese vaardighede en opleiding bevorder. Murorora beklemtoon dat vennootskappe noodsaaklik is vir 'n volhoubare groei in die sektor. Daarom werk Nedbank saam met rolspelers soos die regering, Agra, sowel as die Namibiese Agronomiese Raad om kennis, kapasiteit en werksgeleenthede in die land veral vir jong mense uit te brei. Feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should go. Go. Feel like I should go. Feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should, feel like I should go. Feel like I should go.
Let us make agriculture an aspiring go-to career for Namibia, and we can only achieve this if we hold hands and strive in one direction. We are here as one united force to champion collaboration, growth, and a bright future for Namibian agriculture. It is crucial to recognize that agriculture is not merely a fallback option, but a viable and promising career path. With strategic investment and innovation, agriculture can drive economic growth, create sustainable jobs, and ensure food security. But we need to come together so that we can provide a singular destination, complete food security for ourselves, our neighbors, and everyone in need. And my colleagues probably in the Nedbank stable, when I talk about agriculture, they look at the GDP contribution and say, but really, it's not contributing so much to GDP. But I can tell you, I have become also a wannabe farmer. And I can tell you, I, in my small holding, also employ 6 people, which is what we want to do. Everyone wants to contribute to employment. I mean, just this year alone, we have appointed close to 4 people with agriculture specialists in our bank. And it's really helping us, and it's doing great stuff already in the Nedbank space. Nedbank Namibia has joined forces with Accra Limited to sponsor 20 bursary students, providing a total of 560 for their studies at the Accra Agriculture Academy of Namibia. This amount covers all academic fees, registration, access to e-learning platforms, exposing students to the latest agricultural technology and best practices. What we are announcing this morning is a bold statement of intent upon which we will achieve foundational success for our country. So many facets of our society will be positively impacted by this monumental initiative, and I have no doubt that sometime in future we will all look back at this moment and have even a better sense of fulfillment than we are already having now.
Everybody. Thank you each and every one of you for joining us today at this exciting occasion as we celebrate a major milestone in Namibian agriculture, the official launch of a collaborative venture between Agra Auctions and Swiftfair Namibia. Today we mark the coming together of two forces, Namibia's most trusted agricultural brand and Africa's largest online livestock and game trading platform. This partnership is more than just strategic. It is transformative, and it is all about bringing the best of both worlds to our farmers. Agra has been a cornerstone of Namibian agriculture since 1980. We've built our reputation on trust, experience, and an unwavering commitment to serve farmers where it matters most, on the ground, in the kraals, and at the auction pens. And of all of your farmers, you know that. You see Paul, he does your screening, he comes to your farm, he assists you, and that is real stockmanship that speaks to you directly on your farm and where we can assist wherever is needed. Through the years, we've earned that trust, not only by showing up, but showing leadership. But leadership means knowing when to evolve. It means aligning with specialists, and it means acknowledging that while we know the business, we also know when to partner with the experts. Swiftfair brings a wealth of expertise in online livestock auction trading. Their platform powers over 50 agencies across Africa with more than 70,000 active bidders. And we are proud that powerful network is part of Namibia's livestock economy. What does this mean for you, our farmers, clients, agents, and buyers? It means you still get Agra Trusted Team, our auctioneering expertise, our commitment to quality genetics and transparent pricing, and enhanced now by global technology. As our mission states, Agra is here to set the benchmark. We believe in sustainable growth, not just for our business, but for our producers and stakeholders. This partnership allows us to remain relevant, competitive, and most importantly, farmers first. Let me take the moment to thank the team from Swiftfair for their vision, professionalism, and for believing in the Namibian market. To the Agra Auctions team, thank you for embracing change with confidence and purpose. And to our farming community, thank you for your continued trust. You are the reason we do this. This isn't just a launch. This is a beginning, a connected, digital, collaborative future, where auction yards meet algorithms, and where Namibian farmers stand not at the edge, but at the center of innovation.
I'm Russell Luck from Cape Town, South Africa. I think I'll start by saying, and I think this encompasses everything about today, there's a famous African proverb which says, if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And that's something that's really shaped Swiftfair's strategy and our view on how we see technology and its role in Africa and just global agriculture. So back in 2019, I was a tech lawyer, and we saw that kind of livestock trading was very fragmented, and people had to travel far distances to get to the auction, and there was no way to bid digitally, and you needed to see the animal trading in real time in order to have confidence in digital markets. And Swifia's mission has always been to reinvent value chains through technology. So, before you do anything and you're the first one to do it, it's hell of a nerve-wracking because no one's ever done it before. Afterwards, not so hard, but to be the first is scary. And people used to say, Russell, you're a tech lawyer. You think people are going to go and buy cattle on an app? These people barely use phones. I said, just you wait. Farmers know good business because it is one of the most difficult operating environments in any market to be in. And if they've survived in these tough trading conditions, then they know good business, and good business always makes sense because there's one thing that you cannot beat, and that is the market. Supply and demand, great things always come to the fore, and innovation is something that you can never put back into a bottle. So we launched online livestock trading in South Africa. This was before COVID, and we've grown over 100% year on year since launching. We operate in South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, scaling into East Africa. We have incorporated in the United States. We turn our attention to there. We'd like to go and take on from being a pan-African business to a global market. And the essence of what we do really is we always believe in partnering. So Swifia never does auctions without a livestock agent. Livestock agents are critically important to the trust of the value chain, the expertise that they bring, running the book, the ability to assist farmers in actually running the whole auction. What we do excellently is we use algorithms, we use data science in order to match optimal buyers and optimal sellers in order to get the best selling prices for livestock. We're incredibly proud to partner with Agra. Agra is a market leader in what they do, and we are the largest livestock trading platform in Africa. And funnily enough, although Arnold and I have known each other for a very long time, we managed to join hands relatively quickly because we knew that the time was right. We knew that together we would unlock so much more value for all the stakeholders than if we did things separately. And ultimately, it is all about service. I think one of the big things that Agra and Swifia align on, it is not about us and what we can do and what's in it for us. It's about serving the market. And we know that if we are loyal servants of the market will reward us accordingly. And that is the strength of true economics. That's what makes capitalism a way of such prosperity all over the world, time and time again. So Arnold, Paul, where are you? Thank you very, very much. We're incredibly proud of this. It's a new chapter in Namibia. It's something that we'll grow together on, strength by strength. We are here to work with everybody that's going to benefit the agricultural value chain. Agra as our anchor partner will be incredibly critical in the Namibian market and elsewhere in order to unlock value to the farmers. People are often scared to talk to me, so please speak to some of my fantastic team. JP Swart over there is head of agribusiness. It's Afrikaans. All our apps are Afrikaans. Everything's Afrikaans. The only one that lets the side down is me. I'm the only English person. Greg over there, actually, Greg also lets the team down. He's also English. But generally, of our almost 50 people, the vast majority are Afrikaans. So really, it's a privilege to be here today.
Goeiedag, ek is Pieter van Zyl van GSAP Namibia. Dit is Mike van Jelstingen. Hy is my vennoot in die besigheid. Ons doen herbisides en landbouchemie en ons gebruik drones vir die aanwending daarvan. Ons het verskillende tipe drones hier by ons. Ons het 'n klein DJI M3 mapping drone waarmee ons die mapping doen vir die boer. Ons gaan uit na die boer toe en ons map sy grondvorm of die kamp of die area wat hy wil strooi of wil spuit. Wanneer ons die mapping gedoen het by die boer, Ons doen dit met die klein DJI M3. Gewoonlik as ons die mapping klaar gedoen het, transfer ons die file wat jy kry na die rekenaar toe. Ons noem dit rendering op die rekenaar. Ons sit die kaart uit en ons kan by die boer gaan sit en vir hom presies op daai deel vat en sê, wil hy hierdie bome uithaal, wil hy daai bome uithaal, wat hy presies op die area wil doen, watter deel hy wil gooi. Ons doen al daai werk met die boer en dan stel ons 'n fisiese kaart op waarop ons dan die file vat en transfer na die groot drone toe en die groot drone gaan in die veld in, gewoonlik Mike vat die drone, hy loop sit hom op, hy trek die file in op sy controller en dan gee ons vir die drone die opdrag om dan die area te spuit of te strooi. Die klein dronetjie, as ek hom net so kan wys, is dit is die M3. Hy het al sy RTK en units op wat dit dan nou moontlik maak vir die mapping. Ons kan 'n hele verskeidenheid mapping en goed met hom doen. Op die sagte ware kan 'n ou bietjie dit manipuleer en alles en jy kan met dit werk en vir die boer 'n redelike goeie indikasie gee van wat hy gaan doen. Die beeld wat ons uit hom uit kry, ons werk met 'n multispectral kamera en die multispectral kan ook vir jou verskeidenheid van foute en goed wys op jou lande en sulke goeters. So daar's 'n verskeidenheid goed wat met hom gedoen kan word. Ons kan ook soos die landmeters en goed opmeet en alles met die RTK. So ons het hierdie unit ook. Hy maak dit net meer akkuraat. Ons kan met die drone vlieg en hy kan tot binne in 'n sentimeter kan ons akkuraat spuit en vlieg met die drone. Goed, ek gaan julle oorgee aan Mike. Mike gaan vir julle 'n bietjie meer vertel van die T50, die groter drone.
Goeiedag mense, ek is Mike. Ja goed, so hier is die hele pakket van die of die remote van die groot drone. So sodra alle inligting van die wat van die mapping drone af oorgerender is na 'n rekenaar toe en oorgesit is op die remote van die groot drone, kan ons as die inligting hier is, beweeg ons na die groot drone toe en ek kan vir u demonstreer die battery kom so uit. Kom, jy sit hom in, druk hom in en jy sit hom aan. Hier is 'n hopper, hierdie is 'n hopper vir kunsmiskorrels of jy kan hom vir bosgif, herbiside gebruik soos korrels soos die Limpopo wat ons bemark. Jy kan hom ingooi. Hy kan 'n 50 kg massa vat, maar as gevolg van ons lang afstande en groot hektare wat ons doen om ontbossing te doen, gooi jy gewoonlik so 15 na 25 kg toe in en want jou battery en jou vliegtyd is gesinkroniseer met die gewig omtrent as gevolg van ons weersomstandighede, ons hitte en boligwinde en so aan deur die dag. En ja, die drone vlieg so enigiets teen 'n 25, 28, hy het 'n maksimum spoed van 36 km/h en dan beweeg hy so teen 'n hoogte van 15 meter as jy bosgif doen, bo die top van jou plante of jou plante groei en jy het 'n spesifieke setting op hom wat sy hoeveelheid kilogramme wat hy per hektaar of per area moet gooi, wat jy uitwerk voor die tyd en jy voer dit in op die remote en die remote gee dit net deur aan jou drone en hy doen feitelik alles. Die enigste wat jy feitelik moet doen en dit is waar die goeie ding van die tegnologie wat so gevorderd is inkom, is jy staan en monitor die hele tyd en as daar 'n fout kom, is die ding so eenvoudig, hy gee vir jou inligting op jou remote wat jy moet doen om jou probleem op te los, wat eintlik baie eenvoudig is. Ja, en jy het verskillende verstellings op jou hopper om verskillende tipes en groottes kunsmis of enige herbiside korrel te kan strooi. En ja, dis 'n baie veilige produk om te hanteer in die opsig. As jou batterylewe in vlug tot op 'n sekere vlak gedaal het, dan waarsku hy jou en jy kan hom outomaties terugkom huis toe. As iets gebeur, kan jy hom ook net 'n knoppie druk en hy kom self na sy punt van waar hy opgestyg het, kom hy outomaties terug. En ja, dan behalwe die hopper het hy 'n vloeistofhopper wat jy nou jou crop dusting landbougewe ingooi en wat nou aangemaak word in 'n groter tank. En die sê weer hy vat 40 liter en jy kan hom maar sy 40 liter vol maak, want as jy jou spuittyd vat op jou mielies of wat se gewas jy ook al bespuit, dan kan jy voor jou battery tyd op 'n kritieke stadium kom, kan jy is jou hopper al leeg. Dan kan hy terugkom en dan kan jy dan vul jy net weer jou hopper op en jy jy vul die hopper op en jy verander jou battery. En jy vat jou volgende battery na jou charging point toe en jy beopdrag hom om net weer verder te vlieg en aan te gaan met sy werk.
Goed, om op te som dan, ons kan die boer help om sy lande te map. Ons doen 'n mapping met die klein drone. Ons transfer dit na ons groot drone toe, waarmee ons dan natuurlik die bespuiting en die strooiwerk doen. En dan het ons ook die RTK unit ingekoop om meer akkuraat op ons werk te kan werk. Julle kan vir ons kontak. Ons kontakbesonderhede sal op die skerm wees en julle kan ons gerus meer vra oor ons landbougewe, oor ons bosdoders. Ons kan vir julle baie inligting daarop gee. Wil ek net oorgee aan Mike.
Ja, nee, ten laaste kan ek seker sê, ons is bereid, ons is beweeglik, ons kan van noord tot suid, oos tot wes reg oor die land beweeg. En ja, daar is baie goeie goed wat op ons pad kom. Daar is baie groot verskeidenheid indringerbos wat ons kan bedien reg oor die land. So daar is baie vooruitsig vir mense wat met 'n probleem of indringerbos sit of met 'n probleem op sy gewasse, akkerbougewasse, mielies, selfs koring, lucering. Jy kan selfs vir interessantheid, jy kan selfs plant ook met die stelsel, lucering plant, jy kan grasse plant. So dit is daar is 'n groot verskeidenheid dinge wat jy kan doen wat jou lewe net makliker maak. Daar sê nee, so ek dink dit is 'n goeie opsomming van alles en baie dankie vir die geleentheid.
Baie dankie, dan praat ons wag vir julle.
En daar het julle dit, kyk net daai hommeltuie. Maak gebruik van hommeltuie om makliker te boer en kontak GSAP Namibië. Wees deel van vooruitgang en verken die wêreld van digitale veilings saam met Agra en Swiftway. En dan, soos Mururara gesê het, 'n loopbaan in landbou moet gesien word as 'n belowende toekoms, nie as 'n terugval opsie nie.